Hello friends, let's begin the current affairs for 30th of April. Government reconstituted National Shipping Board. Who will head the reconstituted National Shipping Board? So, it will be headed by Malini Shankar. Now, National Shipping Board is headquartered in New Delhi, which comes under the Ministry of Shipping, and Minister for Shipping is Mansukh Mandaviya. Let's see the next question. Which state government launched mobile application Help Me? So this application is launched by Haryana government. Pitch Black 2020 war exercise between India and which country was cancelled due to COVID-19? So it was cancelled between India and Australia. NIIT, National Institute for Information Limited US subsidiary has signed an agreement with which organization to provide virtual services to education providers? So the answer is EdTech. Special liquidity scheme for MSMEs has been launched by which institute? So this scheme is launched by SIDBI, that is Small Industries Development Bank of India, which is headquartered in Lucknow. Which state government has started Jagananna Vidya Devana scheme? So this scheme has been started by Andhra Pradesh government. International Dance Day is observed globally on, so it is observed on 29th of April. As per latest World Health Organization's map, Aksai Chin is a region in China. Aksai Chin is part of which state or union territory? So it is a part of Ladakh. Name the telecom company which has tied up with Paytm for Recharge Sati. So for Recharge Sati, Vodafone Idea has tied up with Paytm. Which country hosted the 11th session of Petersburg Climate Dialogue? So, Germany has hosted the 11th session of Petersburg Climate Dialogue. Which group of countries has launched the Access to COVID-19 Tools Accelerator Initiative recently? So, it is launched by G20 group. G20 has launched a new initiative, Access to COVID-19 Tool Accelerator, under the presidency of, it is launched under the presidency of Saudi Arabia. Name the country which has highest value of US government securities as per US Treasury Department. So, Japan has highest value of US government securities and it tops the list. What is the amount India holds as US government securities as on Feb 2020? So, India holds 177.5 billion US dollar as on Feb 2020 and ranks 13th. Which minister represented India in the first virtual Petersburg Climate Dialogue? So, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change Prakash Javadekar has represented India in the first Petersburg Climate Change Dialogue. Bollywood actor Irfan Khan passed away. He was recipient of which award? He was recipient of Padma Shri. Thank you. That's it for today. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.